I'm now acting as Simone, a potential member visiting the Cobalt Association website. Simone is going to go ahead and set up a profile on the website and register for a meeting. This is a WordPress website that was set up just for demo purposes, but it's worth noting that you aren't limited to a certain content management system. Membership Dynamics is CMS agnostic, so as long as your CMS follows industry standards, our solution can integrate with it. Here, on the home page, Simone sees information on Cobalt's annual Summit Conference. Let's say this is a hot conference for her industry and it's her primary reason for visiting the website. So she clicks on the slider for more information on the conference and how to register. She is directed to a page dedicated to the conference. All of this is content relevant to the event that's managed on the website. But here, she sees key information for registering, time and location for the conference with a description and a prompt to log in and register. This is Cobalt functionality embedded within the website. So the description, time, and location are being tracked in the database and then surfaced dynamically on your website. This way, users like Simone can review marketing information for the conference and then interact with elements from your database to take action and register. I can see here that before Simone can register for the conference, she needs to log in. This is Simone's first time on the website, so she doesn't have a login yet and will need to set one up. The first step in setting up a profile is verifying the user isn't already in the database. So Simone is prompted for her email. The system verifies that Simone is not already in the database and prompts her to set up a profile. In this case, the system is using her email to verify she doesn't already have a profile, but you could use just about anything as a unique identifier. If Simone was already in the database, the system would not prompt her to set up a profile, but would instead direct her through a process to reset her password. Here, Simone enters her basic information. We want this to be a quick process so that Simone won't be tempted to abandon it midway through. So the system asks just for the minimal information. Your staff is going to dictate what language displays here from within the database. If you make changes to the language in the database, those changes will immediately go into effect on the website. Simone has to accept the terms before she can finish setting up her profile. In this case, Simone is being asked for her phone number. This is by no means required to set up a profile, but I wanted to show you that it is an option. On this page, Simone is asked for the first of 2 addresses that will be collected during profile setup. For the second address, Simone can enter a different address from the first, or copy the first one she entered. Simone doesn't find it necessary to enter another address, so she copies over the first and finishes setting up her profile.